What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. We've come a long way.
Long journey.
Long journey. Any comments?
I mean, car's looking real good. Excited to see what happens with the giveaway.
So, well, let's introduce it.
Yeah.
Big surprise for you here. For 1,000 subscribers, for all of your support, we are doing our very first giveaway here on the channel. We're going to be giving away a mint brand new set of Spa 1,000 horsepower capable forged pistons. This is like a $700 value. So, how do you join the giveaway? You have to subscribe to the channel. You got to like the video. You got to leave a comment down below of your 1.8t car. So tell me what car you have, what year it is, tell me some of the mods, and then share the video. Those four things, that's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. The reason why the comment about the 1.8t is because I want to make sure this set of pistons goes to a person who's going to use them. These are a set of 81mm forged aluminum Spa pistons. They are rated for 1,000 horsepower. These are no joke, but they are 81mm, so that's stock bore. So you need to have a relatively healthy block to put these in. So they can drop into any runner, but I'd make sure you have something good. Yeah, we also have some other things we're giving away. The second high ticket item here is a Go Fast Bits FXR fuel pressure regulator. This thing is good up to I think like 5 or 6 bar. You know, that's another $300-400 item that we are giving away on the channel. All you got to do is, you know, follow the instructions given before, just join the giveaway. We got some other things also, so make sure you watch the video completely to the end because we have some other goodies we're giving away. What else we got? We have a full set of near mint engine bay plastics off of my car. I like showing off all the parts I have. I don't like all the covers, so we have a full set off of my car, mint, no scratches, no anything. We'll show you guys later in the video. We're gonna be giving those away. That's a couple $100 value as well. So, as you guys know, we have a full custom 3-inch exhaust on this car. That leaves us with the entire stock exhaust system for this car. We are going to be giving that away as well. That may be the highest dollar value. The only stipulation to that one is you need to be willing to come out to me or pay shipping, and we are doing only continental US only for that one. I'm not willing to ship that overseas. I don't want to deal with all that. So if you're interested in that, you know, reach out to me, I guess. So it's been 2 months since I've uploaded. We have done some things to the car, some things have changed, so there'll be some updates throughout the video on the car as well, so stay tuned for that as well. In this video, I also have a few updates regarding the big turbo engine build process and what's going on there. There has been a little bit of a stall. I'll explain that further as well, so make sure you watch this video till the end.
Watch it till completion. That pretty much gets it all.
Alright, so right here, I have an OEM downpipe catalytic converter, and I also have the OEM rear section that connects to it. So I have the entire stock exhaust system for a Mk1 Audi TT 20v. I'm willing to give it away to one of you guys for free. I have no use for this. I could get some money from the junkyard, but I think if somebody's trying to have a stock car and get it registered, these passed emissions 2 years ago, no problem.
Yeah.
So if you're willing to drive out here,
or just pay for shipping.
Or pay for shipping. I'm not kidding. It's the entire stock exhaust system. No leaks, past emissions. It sounded all right. I just wanted it louder. So if that's something you're into, something you're looking for,
something you need,
this could be your opportunity. And I'm not going to do this one by the comments. Leave a comment or reach out to my email. It's in the description of my YouTube channel. Let me know if this is something you're looking for. I'd rather give this to somebody who actually needs it. I think let's give away a full set of engine bay plastics.
Yeah.
These are getting rare. They're in you can see there's rust just because it was sitting on this old rusty.
Yeah, but you can wipe that off with a little bit of Windex.
These are near mint.
Top.
I took these off a long time ago when I first got the car. I never put them back on. They'd be sitting here in storage. And all this stuff is mint. So we'll include this in our giveaway. These, I think, this is the full set. You can even look. There's not even. You know, they're a little dirty.
It's not even a crack though.
Not even a crack. Yeah.
No cracks, no warps.
But this is probably as mint as you can get. This would probably be a couple $100 on eBay right here.
Oh yeah, easily.
Oh, look at this. We even got the OEM battery cover.
Oh, there you go.
Mint 1,000 horsepower capable forged pistons in the giveaway for free. We've got the Go Fast Bits FXR fuel pressure regulator worth about $400. for free. We've got a complete set of Mk1 Audi TT engine bay plastics for free. Entire stock system for free. So join the giveaway, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, join the giveaway and don't miss out.
Yeah.
So right here, never before seen from Ringer Racing, owned by Mike Hood. He's big in the Facebook groups. He has his company where he does the custom big power clutches.
Oh, look at that thing.
So this right here
And you
is
even get the...
not cheap unit. This is made to work. You can see over here with the stock dual mass flywheel, which should help with drivability. Actually, I don't think we're gonna use that one. That one is off of the front wheel drive. Well, it was an AWP 1.8t from a GTI.
Yep.
I think that one's smaller than the one on my car. So I think we're gonna take the flywheel that's on the TT now.
That's a nice unit right there.
What a beautiful unit. Yeah,
It's probably heavy.
It's heavy. Yeah, and it's like a
And it's got the nice little alignment tool with it.
The alignment tool. If you're looking for a clutch for your Audi TT 1.8t build, reach out to Mike Hood, owner of Ringer Racing. He's your guy.
I know you guys see this in the corner of the video. This is what's most exciting to me. The external wastegate. That's gonna sound nasty, dude. Nasty.
So this is from Pulsar. Pulsar is like a Chinese turbo brand. They have a really good G25 turbo that I considered getting. I've shown you guys the turbo. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But
oh, dude, look at that.
yeah,
Ready? We're gonna take her out.
Nice fresh fire ring. That's no joke right there.
Ooh.
You know what that is? That's boost control right there.
Yeah.
No more fucking about with my internal wastegate flapper bullshit. That's the real deal right there. So,
Yeah.
this is the dump pipe for the wastegate, the external wastegate. But right here,
Oh yeah, the manifold.
yeah, we have our top mount T3 manifold with the external wastegate port. This is from Spa. Not cheap, but I mean, feel how heavy this thing is. This is the real deal right here.
Yeah, it's like a good maybe 10 pounds right there.
From Spa, we've got forged head studs here. We're pretty much doing the whole Spa build. I've been working with Spa closely. They've been a huge help with all of this. We got what? Spa forged pistons, Spa forged rods, Spa forged head studs, Spa exhaust manifold. So this is just 3-inch flex pipe for when we do our custom down pipe. This right here is 4th gear support. This is a transmission mod. When you're making big power, 4th gear kind of bows the entire gear set. So this will help keep bowing and makes big power. Yeah, I got a head gasket. This is a brand new crank bolt. New flywheel bolt, feeler gauge set. These are new heater core connectors that angle down will give us more room for our new intake. I believe this is a piston ring filer.
Oh, yep.
So this is a tool. This is basically like, a rough surface and it spins and you can file down your piston rings perfectly. Yeah, so we're actually gonna be giving this away. Since I'm getting machined to a larger bore size, no longer gonna be needing these, so whoever gets the drop in pistons, we're gonna wanna get a ball honer that is this size, so I'm gonna send it with it.
Yeah.
I'm also gonna send stone honer. The stone honer, these give a more even surface going down. This will kind of just give you new cross hatching so you can get the rings to set in, but this will actually work to true up the surface more than this will.
So you probably want to use this first and then follow up with that.
Correct. This is the 90-degree bend for a 3-inch. That's going to be for our new down pipe that we're going to have to custom fabricate. I don't know how the hell I'm going to do that. But
Oh yeah, the V-band clamps. Yeah.
our turbo is V-band.
Wastegate, flex pipe.
Yeah, it's flex pipe for the wastegate. So we got a flex pipe for the down pipe and the wastegate. So no cracking of the pipes of the exhaust manifold. These are just new exhaust manifold bolts. They're just copper. These are your OEM locking hex nut. Here we have, this is a full titanium, this is turbo studs. So this is gonna go into the exhaust manifold, titanium, locking nuts and washers. And the real deal, those are rated to some crazy temperatures. These are just OEM flywheel bolts. One of the weak points of this engine when you're making power is the crank bolt. It is just held on by a torque bolt. Well, it's torqued to some serious, force, but when you're making big power, it's not to let go. So this is a aftermarket crank pull. You can see it has these 2 holes machined here, and those are for dowels. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use these provided reamer and drill bit to expand these to drill into the crank, and then we're going to install these hardened dowel pins right here. So not only is it just the bolt, but it has these hardened steel dowel pins that are physically connecting the gear to the crank. So just another redundancy. We're not trying to waste our time and money here.
Right.
And this right here, because we're going to be custom fabricating our downpipe, this is an O2 sensor bung that we're going to need to weld on.
Oh, that'll be fun.
I think I'm just going to...
Just JB weld it.
But yeah, that's our tending wall. Let me know what you think. We've showed all this before. If you're new around here, I've got a whole entire video building this cylinder head. This thing is built. I mean, you can't really see, but it's got SuperTech in-coil exhaust valves, SuperTech full spring kit. It got machined for the new exhaust valves. It's got brand new cam chain tensioner. So this thing's built for over 8,000 RPM, the real deal here. Yeah, if you're interested, I have a video of me building this on the channel. Go check that shit out. I've got a whole parts list also.
But that's a big boy right there.
This is a big boy.
Oh.
But this is just,
Look at that.
This is just the air outlet, okay? And it's just a little dented from shipping. We're just gonna pull that out and make it true, and we're gonna use it. This is a G25 660. So I took the exhaust off again, this time to add a second resonator. The car was just a little bit too obnoxious, so I installed just a cheap 3-inch bottle type resonator from Amazon. Nothing crazy. This is not the last of my exhaust. My plans moving forward are to take it as it is to get fully welded up at a shop. I also encountered and solved a few vacuum leaks. So I got a call from the machine shop, and it was some unfortunate news. They recommend that I go with an oversized set of pistons. I picked up my 81mm pistons to give away to you guys, and I ordered a set of 82mm oversized pistons, and they have just arrived. Once I drop these 82mm pistons off at the machine shop, it shouldn't be long until I get my block back fully bored out, ready to be built. So yeah guys, that's it for this one. Just trying to enjoy out the rest of the summer with the car as is. It's in a great spot and it's a lot of fun, and it's been relatively reliable for me lately. Yeah, you know, we got our spare block being worked on at the machine shop as we speak. My goal is to be building the engine and have it ready to swap sometime this winter, so I can have the car ready for next spring. I do have some videos I've been working on in the background. I've got a whole big video on the whole central locking system and the door latch micro switches. A big video regarding that whole entire system coming out soon. I just haven't quite finished it. Expect it soon.